Hey all, welcome to Forex Bunkers Weekly Wrap. Go over AU, EU and GU daily charts, see what's upcoming for the week to come. Also have a look at some levels to keep an eye on and stuff like that. Now the normal charting package that I use is not working at the moment, so I've converted to MT4, and so there's no lines here as I don't normally use it. So we'll just add those as we go. Alright, we'll start off with AU and price this week. This was our first candle this week. Tried to push up, moved into a SR support and resistance as well as a retrace zone. And what I mean by that is as price pushed through quite strongly, it retraced to this zone where price found support a little while ago. So we've had a strong push down from here, a fair bit of rejection on Thursday and Friday from this area, so I anticipate us to push down further. Now the next level that we'll look out for is around the 102.295 to 102 flat. So keep an eye on that level as we move down to it, and then the next zone after that will be the swing point. The parity, and then the swing point. Okay, so keep a close eye on that. If price does move higher, look for support on this retrace area. So look for price to push through, wait for it to retrace, and then get ready to go long around that area, around the 105.50 mark to 106 mark. I would advise waiting for this retrace on the long, just because there's been a heavy selling pressure for a week and a bit now. So keeping a close eye on that, and also it allows you to have a little bit more confirmation before you go long. Okay. On the short area, do look out for these for a retrace short or a break short, and be cautious of the longs. Okay, let's move on to GU. GU has attempted to make a new swing high. Let's have a look. So we'll mark out the last swing points. So around this area, this 1650 zone has been quite a high rejection mark, but you notice that price has basically not pushed below the 16450 mark. It's tried to, but it hasn't had much success. Better make that 16430 mark, not 50 mark. It has attempted to only by a few pips and then pushed up, but we've had a huge rejection, huge pin bar on the daily, so I anticipate us to push down further to start with this week. So zones below us, look out for definitely this swing point, 161. Let's zoom this chart out a bit more. 163 will definitely be a point of interest to keep an eye on. Above that is basically where we are now. So I'll show you what I mean. So we have this SR right across here. This one's 6420 area, which we are at now. Then just below that, the one 6350 area, which could be a bit of support and resistance, but I think the next zone will be a little bit stronger. This 16350 to 16250, that 100 pip range, keep a close eye on that. And then we have our swing point. I think we'll have a fair bit of rejection from this area, but keep a close eye on it. Wait for your longs if you are going to push hard for this 16400 mark to confirm before considering a long as a wise choice, as we've had a fair bit of rejection. And finally, EU's been quite sideways this last week and a bit. We've got our trend line coming through. That has been slowly broken, slowly being hammered, and we've formed another trend line just here last week or the week before, which is now being tested. So you notice how price is basically consolidating between these two trend lines, trying to push higher. So on EU, look out for the 145 mark and the 145.80 mark. Okay, that will be the next contention point, and then the 146.70 zone for this swing point. Alright, on the low side, you've noticed that we've been stepping up, haven't made a new swing low for a little while, so keep a close eye on that to see if we actually do push down. If we do, watch out for the 140.50 and the 140 flat. Okay, just at these last swing points, and you'll notice there they are supported across time as well. So the price has been really sitting on this 140 mark for a while. Has pushed through a couple of times, but all in all it has tried to push high. Okay, that's about it this week. I hope you all had a fantastic week in your pip count as well as personally, and I will talk to you all soon. Catch ya.